What's going on, you guys? This is Brett Hundley. Welcome to another edition of Men Who Cook, and today we're back with the Napoleon brand new Prestige Phantom 500. That name always sounds nice, y'all, but check this out. We're gonna cook with this thing, the rotisserie style. They have an infrared burner on the back of this grill, and we're gonna show you guys a really cool trick on how to use it. We got a really cool butter, garlic, herb sauce to go around this prime rib. We're gonna put it on that rotisserie style like this, and we're gonna let it cook just like that. So you guys stay tuned, we got a really good episode. Let's head to the kitchen. All right, this is a rub we're making. This is not a sauce, just wanna correct that mistake real quick. But first things first, take out your prime rib, let it sit out for about 30 minutes to get it to room temperature, and then you're gonna add all of these into a bowl and mix. About 1 cup of butter, 5 cloves of garlic mince, and a tablespoon of thyme, oregano, rosemary, salt, and pepper. Make sure your butter is softened. As you can see, it's really not easy to mix it with a mixer if it's not softened, or you can just use your hands. Once that's done, rub the prime rib and you guys are ready to go. From there, if you want, you can do a couple curls with it, but time to cook. It's super simple once you get your prime rib on, because if you have a meat thermometer, you just cook it to about 130 degrees of perfect medium rare, then you take it off and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Everything else we're making just a side, so we're gonna make some mashed potatoes. I honestly watched the masterclass by Gordon Ramsay on how to cook these mashed potatoes. As you can see, I used a ricer. Thank you, Gordon. And then also some Brussels sprouts with it, and this is just gonna tie it all together. Check this out. Woo! Look at this bad boy. I mean, you guys, the infrared rear burners cook this thing so simply and so easily. The setup was so simple, as you guys saw earlier. I mean, look at the coloring on this. Look at the char. Look at everything, the way it's cooked. This was so easy, so simple. And now, again, let's take this thing in the kitchen. Let's go eat. If looking at this sexy thing does not get you hungry, I don't know what to tell you, because this thing looks damn good. All right, you guys, we're back in the kitchen. Finally got this meat ready to eat, and this is my favorite time of all the videos. You get to taste the food. Let's dig in. All the potatoes. It's like Thanksgiving all over again. Good. Oh my gosh. Before I start getting into this food too much, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Napoleon, this Phantom Prestige 500 truly blew me away. I'll for sure use this rotisserie style accessory again. So easy, so clean. And if you guys haven't, go check them out. Go check their products out. They're amazing. Their tag will be below. It's magic. Up here, right here. But if you guys haven't as well, go comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. There'll be videos like this posted all the time. Thank you guys. I'm out. Back to you.